Okay, today we're working on a Peloton rowing machine with a flashing white screen. This is a software issue. This is going to be the same fix for the rowing machine as it is for the treadmill or the bike. In this situation, what you need to do is you need to power down. So you hit the power button, shut down. You're going to have to do a factory restore. Unfortunately, you're going to lose your data, but at the very least, you will have a working Peloton again. So I'm going to see if I can get this on video. What you need to do is press the power button, and before the right before the logo for Peloton comes up, you got to hit the up volume button. So we're going to press the power button and then the up button, and you should take you to the BIOS where you can reset. There you go. You can reset your Peloton. So here we go here.